Okay, now we're gonna do an open number line, but we're gonna be doing it with subtraction. So it's a little bit different, but it's also kind of similar. It's kind of the same. Now for 43 minus 28, we're going to be breaking down the number once again into the tens and the ones. So this method is very helpful to learn. We're gonna be breaking down 28 into 20 and 8. And then we know that our tens, or that 20 is 2 tens. And then 8 we can do 4 plus, or 8 would be, 4 plus 4, 3 plus 5, 1 plus 7. It could be any of those. And you can also start with this one. You can start with, you can do it 2 different ways, but I'm going to show you starting at 48, or 43, sorry. We're going to do minus 20, so minus 10, which gets us to 33, and then minus 10 again, which gets us to 23. Okay. Now, so let's make our 8 into 3, because that'll get us down to 20. 3 plus 5, right? 23 minus 3 is 20, and then 20 minus 5 gives us 15. And you can double check it the old-fashioned way, but once again, we are trying to make sure that our students understand the different methods. So we do want them to be able to do this method as well as other ones on the test. They will be asking, for example, what number would go right here? Or what number would go right here? What number would go right here, So you do have to kind of know these methods inside and out. Another way of doing this is starting at 28 and counting on up until you get to 43. So it would be, you would start with 28, you would probably add 2 to get to 30, right? Because that makes it a little bit easy. Plus 2 gives you 30. Then we're going to count by tens to get to 40, right? Plus 10 gives us 40. And then what do we have to add to get to 43? We have to add 3, right? Okay. Plus 3 gives us 43. And then you just take these numbers up here and you add them. 2 plus 10 is 12, plus 3 is 15. Then you have your subtraction answer. The difference between the two numbers. Okay, so let's do 56 minus 17 for our second example. 56 minus 17. Okay, let's break up 17. It's going to be 10, and then we're going to break up the 7 into a couple of numbers. We've got 6 here in our ones place. I'm guessing that 7 would work very well if you broke it up into 6 plus 1. 6 and the 1, right? Okay. So 56 minus 10 is 46. Minus 6 is 40. And minus 1 is 39, okay? And that would be the difference between the two numbers. Now, you can also count on from 17. So you can start at 17 and move your way up to 56. 17 plus 10 is 27, plus 10 is 37, plus 10 is 47. Now you can also do plus 10 minus 1, which would be 9, plus 10 minus 1, and you would just kind of do that like this. Plus 10 gives you 57, minus 1, just make it really small, gives you 56, and that gets you to 50. Hello, Charlie. Charlie wants to make a cameo appearance here. And so you could also just kind of add this up and then take away the 1, right? And that would give you 40 minus 1 equals 39, okay? Or you can just do it where you add the, sorry, I do it smaller even. 17 plus 10 gives you 27, plus 10 gives you 37, plus 10 gives you 47, and then plus, I'm gonna do plus 3, gets me, hi Charlie, plus 3 gives me 50, okay, and then to get to 56, I'm gonna do plus 6, gives me 56, and then I can just add all of these, 10, 20, 30, 33, 30 plus 30, or 33 plus 6 gives me 39. So we get the difference at using any of these methods. And it's just one of the ways that we've taught our children to subtract using an open number line. So it's just another method of subtraction.